In this video, we're going to learn how to use Copyfactory's Chrome extension. To do this, we're going to log into Copyfactory and go into the Account section. Once you're here, you're going to download the Copyfactory Chrome extension. Once you've downloaded it, you'll see it in your toolbar up here. And what we're going to want to do is copy the API key from your account here. And then we're going to want to paste it into the Chrome extension. When you click it, you'll see this drop down, and you want to go to the Allen key over here. In here, you want to paste in your API key, then go to want to select on the brain, and then in here you can select the profile that you want to use. So in this case, we want to use the demo profile, and in here, if you want to generate a email, you can simply select the email option, or if you want to generate a contact sentence, select sentence. In this case, we're going to use a email. If you did want to select a specific email premise or LinkedIn premise, you can go in here and you can select the template, and then you can fill out the data required. So in this case, here for the solution, once you fill out the questions here, once you press generate, you'll see an email get generated. As you can see, the email has been generated. To use it, you can simply just press the copy button over here, or you can copy and paste it. You can also do the exact same workflow for contact personalization, where you select change the email to the sentence, and in here, what we can do for this specific template for notice you like the LinkedIn post, we can copy the LinkedIn post text. In this case, we're going to use an example from Josh Braun. We're going to add in Josh Braun as the post author. Generate. In a second, you'll see a personalized sentence get generated down below based on the LinkedIn post. So all you need to do is download the Copyfactory extension, put in your Copyfactory API key inside the Allen key, and away you go.